The world is an increasingly volatile place, and BCG's Global Trade Report tries to give a perspective of how the world economy, and particularly trade, is evolving over the next decade. There are countries and regions that will clearly grow, while others have a more uncertain future. When we look particularly at the global south, we see growth. China will do a pivot, pivoting away from the Western trading partners towards partners in the global south and in Russia. To be more concrete, we predict 200 billion less trade with the West and more than 200 billion more trade with Russia and more than 1 trillion additional trade with the global south. And then there is North America, traditionally a very close-knit trading bloc, but of course today with a question mark, given the recent announcement of the new administration. Europe will need to focus on energy resilience, critical minerals, and also on the competitiveness of its industry. So you see the variety of tendencies, and that's why we believe at BCG that companies need to develop their geopolitical muscle, which is the ability to interpret geopolitical development, to project them into scenarios, and to integrate them in your strategic decision making. It means that you need to really think around where are your supply chains of the future, where do you establish your geopolitical radar, and how do you collaborate with governments and countries around the world. In this world, geopolitical resilience is not an optionality, it's a must.